What can I say to you, Bonita? What magic words would capture you? Like a soft evasive mist, you are Bonita. You fly away when love is new. What do you ask of me, Bonita? Hi, today I'm presenting Tom Jobim's Bonita, which is a lovely song, but quite complicated, so it's not surprising that you don't find many tutorials out there, accurate ones anyway. So I'm going to start by showing you some patterns that repeat throughout the first part of the song at least. So let's dive in actually. So the song starts with a sequence of chords in A minor. Okay, and it starts on an Am7, which you can play like this if you want, but for convenience I'm playing it like this because it's changing all the time, and you will see what I mean. So it starts like this. What can I say to you, Bonita? So you see it's changing between these three shapes, between the Am7, then it goes to the A minor major 7, and then it goes back to the A minor 7, and then it goes to the A minor 6, and then back to the A minor 7, etc. Okay, so this is quite a pattern that we will see on other chords as well. So we'll be moving to G minor soon, and then to D minor, and you will see exactly the same patterns repeating. So this is the first pattern that you will see. That does make sense actually, but it's quite a little bit tricky to follow, especially if you're singing at the same time. What can I say to you, Bonita? What magic words would capture you? So this is the other sequence actually, So it goes, what magic words would capture you? So can you see that descending line? Okay, you can play it like this if you want, but this is easier, A minor chord. So I'll play those two lines actually, 2 lines of lyrics, because this is one of the trickiest parts of the song, and you probably need to practice moving between these different chords and then moving down. Okay, I'll do that again. What can I say to you, Bonita? What magic words would capture you? And then you have a static chord here with the melody goes like a soft evasive mist, like a soft evasive, and I would play that melody while singing actually. I think it adds something, like a soft evasive mist. This is a straight A minor, but then we're going to jump back to the A minor 7 sooner. Like a soft evasing mist, you are. And notice here I'm playing the middle strings actually. So from 2 to 5 when I play the A minor. Like a soft evasing mist, you are Bonita. You see, we're doing it again. You fly away when love is new. Okay? You fly away when love is new. And then, okay, so this is a D7 flat 9, okay, which you can play in different shapes if you want, but I quite like this this sound actually, this voicing. And this is the end of this A minor part. and this chord announces the change to the G minor. And this time we have a straight G minor. We don't start on a G minor 7, we start on a G minor. What do you ask of me? So G minor major 7, G minor 7, okay, and G minor 6 in a minute. So let me start again. What do you ask of me, Bonita? Have you noticed we're doing exactly what we did with the A minor? We're doing it here, actually going from the 6th. Okay, and we're going to replicate exactly the same descending chord sequence that we did on A minor. So let me start on the G minor. What do you ask for me, Bonita? What part do you want me to play? Okay, what part do you want me to play? And then, so this is an A7 sharp 5. You can even play it like this. This gives you a flat 9 on top of that, actually. Or just play it. Okay, or like different shapes. And this is announcing now the move to the D minor part. And the D minor part, so actually let me go back to the G minor part, because we started on a G minor. What do you ask? I'm using a different shape so that you can see more clearly, without the bar. You can play it like this as well, actually, but you lose the bass. What do you ask of me, Bonita? What part do you want me to play? Okay, or you can play even here. Can you see an A7 here? Sharp 5. And then we go to D minor 7. Shall I be the clown for you? So this is exactly what we did on the A minor, if you remember. We started with A minor 7. And we went like this. Here we're doing exactly the same. Shall I be the clown for you, Bonita? You see what's happening here? Exactly what we did with the A minor. Okay, I'll do that again. D minor 7, D minor major 7, back to D minor 7, and then we go to D minor 6, etc. So I'll do that again. Exactly the same logic that we saw earlier. Shall I be the clown for you, Bonita? I will be anything you say. I will be anything you say. So actually I should have explained this, because with the A minor and the G and now the D minor, I explained that we go from a minor 7 here, so minor major 7, minor 7, 6. This is a flat 6, so this is a D minor with a flat 6. Okay, sharp 5 or flat 6 actually. Okay, I forgot to explain that on the previous two chords actually, because we have a continuous sequence here actually. Normally this would start with the root and then major 7, minor 7, 6, flat 6, and then we go to the 5, which is back to the chord, back to the, like if it was a D minor, but we don't get to the D minor. We go back to the D minor 7. Okay, I had to listen very carefully actually, and got most of these chords by ear, listening to the Jobim track. I'll put the reference in the description as to what song it was, exactly what version I worked from. Okay, so I'll do the D minor part again. Shall I be the clown for you, Bonita? I will be anything you say. Okay, so this is in E7 sharp 9, which I could have played here if I wanted. Okay, I don't know why I prefer this voicing, although it's almost identical. And then I chose to then use the B here on the bass. Bonita. So let me play that because it gets a little bit tricky here vocally. Shall I be the clown for you, Bonita? I will be anything you say, Bonita. Okay, so we continue with this chord, but I've introduced the B here on the bass. Bonita, don't run away, don't run away. Can you see A-7? Don't run away. D9. Bonita. This is a very important chord actually that we see again later on. And this is basically a D9th, but with a sharp 11 or sharp 4, okay, or flat 5 if you want. And that's how you can play it with a bar actually, but that's basically where it comes from. You can see it D9, but I've added the G sharp here. Okay, and it's easier to play it like this rather than a bar, but it's richer. If you can play it fully, that can be perhaps a good thing, but you can still play it like this actually. Okay, so Bonita, don't run away, Bonita. So this is an E flat diminished 7 or a C diminished 7 if you want to be able to memorize it here. And once again you can play it fully if you want with a bar or just like this. Okay, so that's a typical diminished shape here. This is perhaps the most difficult chord to hear actually in the song. There's lots of strings and makes it quite hard to hear what he's playing, but I think it's something very similar to this. Okay. Bonita, don't be afraid to fall in love. Okay, difficult vocally. I'll start that again. Bonita, don't. You see, it's quite difficult. Bonita, don't run away. Bonita, Bonita, don't be afraid to fall in love with me. I'll tell you what these chords are. So we ended up with this is a diminished, and then I go to a D minor 9, okay, D minor 9, and then I go to a B flat minor 6, D minor 9 to B flat minor 6, obviously. So you can, there are different ways to play these, but this seems quite easier. And then we go from this chord to this chord. Once again, the D9th with the sharp 11. And then we go back to the D minor 9 and then a G13. start again that section. Sorry, I'm repeating all this because I think the song is quite tricky actually, and I hope this is helping. Huh? Okay. Bonita, don't run away. Bonita. Bonita, don't be afraid to fall in love with me. I love you. Okay, so that takes us to G minor 7 actually, and this is maybe one of the trickiest, I realize, and I have an idea actually of how to make it a lot easier. Huh? So I love you, I tell you. You can switch, so instead of playing this G minor 7, you can switch to a G minor 11. That will help you actually then move to the G flat sharp 11, G flat major 7 flat 11, and then it's easy to move down like this. Huh? I'll do that again. I love you, I tell you, I love you, I love you. Instead of trying to go, I love you, I tell you, I love you. This is quite a tricky, love you, I love you. Bonita. Okay, this is a 9th chord. You can recognize if this were a C 9th, this is a B flat 9. I love you if you love me live. So this is a B flat 9 goes to a C major 9. You see this, you've got a D here and you've got a B here, C. So it's a C major chord with a 9th and a major 7. Me too. And this I wrote as an A minor 9th because it's an A minor 7 with a 9th here. Huh? You can play it like this, you can play it like this if you want, but this, I think he plays this note, this high note at some point. And then from this he goes to this chord that we've seen many times now. We've seen it twice already. Huh? This is your D9 sharp 11, okay, followed by D flat 9 sharp 11. Huh? So say exactly the same shape. And then I hear, this is another chord that's quite difficult to hear, and it's I hear a B7 sharp 9. Before he goes to a C6 9. So C major chord with this time instead of a major 7 and the 9, we've got the 6th and the 9. So let me see if I can try to play this last part, starting Bonita, don't run away, Bonita. Don't be afraid to fall in love with me. I love you, I tell you,